Welcome to this amazing video. In this video we will connect two views, SearchView with ListView. So I created a project. You can see we can add a search view from here, from search bar in the design, but I will go to the code and start working on a project. Let's create a search view, but first, so to do this, let's start the coding. Width will be match parent, height will be rob content, margin will be 8 dp, and iconified by default is false. Padding will be 4 dp, and the query hint, which is important for us, for example, search your favorite game, and it will be top to top of parent. So let's create an ID for this. Search view, simply search view. Creating a search view is done. Now let's move to the list view. So list view will be, the width will be match parent, the height will be 0 dp, so it's important, and it will be bottom to bottom of parent and top to bottom of the search view. So we already have the idea for that. So the ID for the list view will be simply list view. Now there is nothing to do, and the XML, you can see we already made it. It looks it feels very well. So let's move to the code. Now I will create some variables. Lieutenant variable, the first one will be game name. Game names, it will be a list view, so I will add a list view here to detect it well. Lieutenant variable, list adapter, and lieutenant variable, game names list, it will be an array list of strings, and lieutenant variable search view. So it's done. Now let's code some other functions. The list view will be equal to find view by ID. Here are the IDs, so it will be equal to find view by ID r.id.list view, and the search view will be equal to find view by ID r.id.search view. Now the main code, game names list is equal to array list, and the game, so we will add some game names here to the list. Now list adapter is equal to array adapter, it will be a string adapter, so this slash unwrite.r.layout simple list item 1 or 2 slash game name list. Game names list view dot adapter is equal to list adapter. Now let's come to the search view. Search view dot sit on query text listener object, and search view dot on query text listener. We will implement the override method. So here, if the game name list contains query, I mean whatever we search on the search box, so list adapter dot filter query. Else, if it doesn't contain it, so if it doesn't exist, toast, we will create toast. Simply we will say that it doesn't exist, so, and return true. It will also here list adapter dot filter new text and return true. Change the list adapter layout to item 1, and I think it is finished, it is over. So let's run the project in emulator. We will quickly see the result. Finally, you guys, you can see that our project it's working well. You can see there's a list view, there's a search view, we can search whatever we want, and we already added some items to search view. So thanks for watching video. Goodbye.